Hello everyone, welcome back by Research channel. In this video, we are going to exploring. Obviously, this is a use case and shoplifting to upgrade. And in this video, we will focus on the retail side. Okay, you see, main gate and counter camera. This is naming convention is wrong, but this is the shopping mall. One girl is buying a dress and one boy is buying dress, and he will be shopping lifting means sold uh, in dress, and both will be detect. Okay, so we will track it. Yes, we will track it. How we can do it? This is the use case we built for this type of uh, work. Okay, so let's start from sketch. How we can do it? It's simple. Okay, this is our channel. This is our website. Okay, PyResearch website, and here all reports is free, no any charges. This is the codes. Okay, so first of all, you can see we need two models. Okay, and you need two videos also, as well as we will annotate these videos. Okay, after annotate you will see the image is ready to for the training part. After you see this type of steps, then we will execute this type of interface. Okay, and one file, python file. So let me create the data set first in front of you, then we will go to other step. Okay, so now you see we will create the images label, and the yellow v11 will be select, and in front of you data set. Obviously data set will be continue, and format in your side both will be download. Okay, I'm going to notebook side. Here same link, PyResearch notebooks. I opened notebooks. After open the notebooks, here you can see multiple format is a training point, but we will choose YOLO V11, and we need to show the code from here. If you want to direct download, you download it, and here Colab is open platform. Okay, not need to buy your GPU, and libraries install successfully, and now need to copy key and paste here. Okay, and here install RoboFlow library, and get the all dataset from here, from RoboFlow. And note, make sure command is working very well, training point, and path will be set. Now start the custom training, and epos is almost 50 is enough for us right now. Okay, so custom training is start going on, and within second we will get the obviously best model and last model. After best and last model will be get, we will continue our coding path. Okay, it will be especially going on very fast. The result training point is 7 to 10 folder. Obviously you can see now we will confusion matrix will be see, and some points initialize some points, and validate the model, our model is working very well or not. And in front the custom model, some result will be show, and let's see after these points we need to go. Obviously not dataset, but you see dataset we get the three folders. Now we need to go to the run the deck, and obviously training folder, not predict, only training folder. Okay, and open the train folder, and weights, best and last model. We will get both models, and obviously you can see non shoppy lifting will be contact in this picture, but we will set the models best.1, rename it, and we will continue our application work, how we can do it. Okay, So now you can see, first of all, here I rename the all best and last model, and here our Python script. I'm open it. Obviously, we need the libraries first of all, and we choose the terminal. Open the terminal, and we need to install these libraries. Let me explain to you how to install pip install. Okay, and obviously OpenSea we need. Okay, and supervision need PyResearch library, and let me check the ultra license. Okay, in Flask. This is the installation part will be covered in one command. It's very simple now. Okay, installation is done. Now we can conclude the application. Here install these libraries. Here load the model, load the two videos. Okay, and mention the color, annotator, thickness. Okay, label the centers. Okay, we need the center point, the upward side is not showing to shoplifting or not shoplifting. Okay, alert system, define alert classes and processing, and while loop will be mention all repeated work. Okay, timestamp, generate the stream storage frames and call it here. So this is our HTML path file, and I rename these names, counter and main get. Okay, and now we see the shopping mall. We will focus on the retaliate side, shopping mall, and python app.py file will be run. It's very simple. We build the use case, upgrade the shoplifting in shopping mall. We will track it, and we will make the software, and mention the shopping mall tracking system, AI tracking system, advanced cameras. Any camera we will connect with our system. Okay, keep in mind. And non shoplifting, but it will be seeing the shoplifting. Okay, and shoplifting directly. Yeah, shoplifting confirm 88%, 90%. Okay, so this is our use case in the tracking of the malls. If mall any no one is see the this type of activities, we'll track it easily. Hope you like it. See you in next video. See you in next use case. So keep in touch. Keep watching our videos, and this code will be get from here. Okay. So this is the last point. All codes get from here. See you in next video.